I gotta show you one thing. I really learned from my friend. Really good for myself. My friend is called Patch. He is a really good coach, and he shows me we just have lunch in together. Then he shows me every meal he will drink a black coffee, and the black coffee will clean your mouth and also help you digest. So I learn from him. I do it. I say, oh, feel like nice, right? So I learned from one thing from him. And also, my very first time meet him is in Zurich, in Switzerland, Zurich. And then we go to have a supercar driving experience next day. And then I meet him that time. We sleep in the same room. And he said, hey, Brad, tomorrow morning, I gotta go to work by the lake in Davos, by the lake. I said, would you like to join me? Oh, that time I'm thinking maybe I want to sleep late, sleep more, then I can have a really good driving experience in tomorrow. But he drive me because we sleep in the same room, and I don't want to say no. And sometimes I just say, okay, let's do it. In the many early. So we sleep. Another early morning, I just wake up and say, okay, let's go. Actually, I don't want to do that. Sometimes I'm lazy. So I walk with him in the lake. I said, wow, the lake is so beautiful. And the air in the morning is so fresh. In the beginning, I just feel so uncomfortable. But why I answer him? Because he's influence. People will influence you and will push you and drive you. So after that, he teaches me one more thing in this time in Taipei. He say, hey, Bright, every day morning you should drink 1 liter water every morning, because water in the morning will become your blood. It will clean your whole body. 1 liter. I said, used to I only drink 300 cc or 500 cc. Then another day, I tried drink 1 liter. You know what happened? Yeah, I shit immediately. And cannot stop. So I go to the toilet, and even I should clean my underwear. Shit too fast. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so what I'm talking about is if you want to change yourself, if you want to work hard or change yourself, it's so not easy, right? But one thing I share and can share with you, actually what you need to do is just go to know somebody really good. Go to know somebody, change your environment. Change your environment and stick on that person. Change your friends. Spend more time with him. We also talk about this. He is right now is very successful people. 40s, already retired, financial free. He said when he is 20s, he all the time hang out with a lot of successful people. Successful people drive him. So, not so hard, right? Very easy. Just change your environment, change your friend, and follow up. I change. You can do that too. So this is a very easy way to make you grow and change and become very good. Do it.